Hello and welcome everyone. In this video series, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for coding more efficiently on VS Code. So VS Code is one of the most popular IDEs out there because it's fast, it's lightweight, and it's very powerful too. So in this picture, you can see that at the very top we have VS Code, and following that we have Visual Studio and Notepad++ in that order. Also, what makes it the most popular is because it has huge number of extensions and has support for almost any language out there. And hence the developer community absolutely loves it, especially the JavaScript developers. Now the purpose of this video series is to share with you some tips that you can use inside of VS Code to get most out of what it has to offer. So let's get started.